Our skin is significantly affected by the heat while working in the kitchen, so we should take special care of it and use the ingredients available to prevent damage. First, I will share a method to protect your skin while in the kitchen, and later I'll discuss other ways to care for it after work. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Firstly, if you're in the kitchen and have rice soaking, don't waste its water, use it to wash your face and hair. Rice water is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, and minerals that may reduce or slow down the skin aging process. Additionally, when peeling potatoes, you can apply the peel on your face or hands to protect the skin. Potato peels are beneficial for treating acne, reducing excessive oil, and even dark circles. Similarly, if you're using tomatoes, saving a little juice to apply on your face and hands can help in reducing excessive oil, removing dead skin, preventing acne, brightening skin, relieving skin irritation, delaying signs of aging, and tightening pores. Furthermore, if you've used yogurt, applying a little on your face can help diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. Yogurt also has exfoliating properties that transform dry and dull skin to lighter and softer. When making breakfast, applying leftover egg white from the eggshell on your face can effectively whiten the skin. You can use this while working in the kitchen and even after finishing your work. You won't need any special products, and by using all these methods, your face will be protected from pimples, acne, darkness, skin pigmentation, and other issues. Your skin will be saved from damage and start to become healthy again. Often, we neglect our skin, leading to its deterioration over time. Even facials don't bring significant improvement. Therefore, we should use the kitchen ingredients available daily to maintain beautiful skin. Thank you. Let's make a face mask using rice, milk, and lemon. Rice flour is a kitchen staple that can address skin issues like acne, excess oil, sun-darkened skin, blackheads, whiteheads, and acne. Its antioxidants nourish and repair the skin while preventing aging and UV damage. Rice flour face packs cleanse, moisturize, and promote skin lightening, leaving your skin soft and supple. Try this simple mask. Mix 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon milk, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply twice a week for best results. Sunscreen can be used as a moisturizer, thus providing you with the protection you need while cooking and being in the kitchen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen before going out in the sun to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Share this video to help others care for their skin too.